So this is the igus dry check division. All of our products are lubrication-free plastic, injection molded. Some of the benefits when you're designing a machine, and really what we're going for is zero lubrication, right? We really want to get away from lubrication. We know what lubrication does to the environment, and also what it takes to maintain those systems, constantly lubricate them. So we have all of our plastic products. The other nice thing about our plastic products are they're fairly low cost. We offer over 50 different materials nowadays. All do the same thing, but they do it in all different environments. So, you know, being at Fab Tech, the dusty environment, the hot environment, the splatter, all those things, we would look at a material that can handle that. We also have food grade materials like this one here. If you're designing a machine over food, touching food, FDA approved. We have some medical materials as well. All, you know, again, to get away from lubrication, to be low cost, lightweight, and last a long time. This is our electrical division of igus, where we do cable carriers and continuous flex cables. All of our cabling is built to constantly move and last. We have a unique motion here. We actually do rotational motion. So you have that home run all the way to the end of the machine without going slip ring or something else, but also getting your degrees of rotation out of it and lasts a lot longer. We have our linear systems as well. You have the different sizes. This is a great product here. This is our smart plastics. So we look at a linear system where maybe you have breakage or some other issues. We have a simulated breakage over time. This system would actually shut down before it caused catastrophic failure, really saving manufacturers a ton of time. That's kind of the what's happening now. We also have some pretty cool ones like what you see here. It's our low-cost smart plastics, where we actually put this onto the chain and it runs on itself, right, over time, again and again. Well, in a dirty environment, a welding environment, you're going to have some particulate. It's going to wear down. It's going to wear down the chain, but it's also going to wear down this pad. So as you see it here, green, over time, this will actually change to yellow, tell you about 30% through life, and then it'll change to red and tell you your last 30% of life before you should change out the chain, so that you can do it before it becomes a bigger problem.